policy things, all this issue, as we proceed, you will come to know. But one thing I must say, that after we have a government in Bengal, Assam is feeling more secure because we share lot of common issues. You can commit a crime and escape to West Bengal, and West Bengal government will never collaborate or cooperate. But today's situation has changed completely. So what I feel that the government of West Bengal and government of Assam now jointly work in many areas, including developing our both the states. So this kind of friendship was never there in last 70 years, 60 years, because if there is a Congress government, there was a CPM government. If there is a AGP government, there was a TMC government. If there is a BJP government, there was a TMC government. So history has given us a kind of feeling of insecurity in the past. But future is looking great. Yesterday, the presence of Chief Minister of West Bengal in our oath-taking ceremony, and the kind of love, affection people of West Bengal has shown us during our election campaign, I think project a very bright future for the Eastern India, for the Northeast India.
Also, sir, yesterday you were, when we saw you from the stage, you were feeling very emotional at one point in time. Tell us the emotion that you were
You see, when you take oath for second time, and people of Assam, in a way, give a kind of thumbs up to your first terms, and also look at you with lot of hopes, lot of dream, and they were looking at me that this is the guy who is going to fulfill our hopes, our aspiration. I think obviously every human being has to be emotional at that point of time. After all, we are not robot, and we are not created by machine. So we are human being, and this kind of situation, whether it is a marriage, whether it is somebody who left you from this world, and when you get together to celebrate a common cause, even after winning a cricket match, the winning team becomes emotional. So these were moments where the human characters comes out. So nobody is above those human characters. So those prove that we may be a political leader, we may be something, for son for somebody, father for someone, leader for somebody, but at the end of the day, we are human, and as long as we maintain our human characters, I think we will be able to deliver.
So the people-to-people connect of Mama will continue.
This is how I live. If I stop that, I think Himanta Biswa Sarma will die.